Hello and welcome back to a new product review. Today, we're diving into the SupMaKin Safe Mandoline Food Slicer, a versatile kitchen tool designed for efficiency and safety. This Mandoline slicer incorporates all slicing options within its structure, eliminating the need to touch the blade when switching modes. This ensures that fingers and knuckles remain safe from scrapes and cuts, making it both easy and secure to use. The multifunctional design allows it to handle various cutting needs with ease, from slicing and dicing to julienne cuts. One of the standout features of the SupMaKin Mandoline Slicer is its time-saving capabilities. With a simple push of the handle, it can quickly slice, strip, and dice vegetables. The adjustable knob on the back allows users to set the slice thickness from 0 to 8 millimeters. Its 3-inch port size is perfect for a wide range of vegetables, such as potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, garlic, and mushrooms, though it is not suitable for meat. This adaptability makes meal prep faster and more efficient. Crafted with high-quality, heavy-duty stainless steel blades, the SupMaKin slicer is built to last. These sharp blades, combined with the principle of leverage, ensure easy and fast cutting, even for tough vegetables. The slicer's ergonomic design and non-slip base provide stability during use. Being BPA-free, it guarantees healthy meals for your family. Additionally, it comes with a 24-month warranty, offering peace of mind and assurance of its durability.
SupMaKin Safe Mandoline Slicer.
Installment. Pull out the feet and lock in. Pull up button and take off lid. Then install chute. Put container down. Unlock the handle. Adjust thickness from 0 to 8 millimeters. Slicing. Default setting is slicing. Strips. First, rotate one of the knobs 360 clockwise. Choose thickness. Then, you can cut the food into strips. Julienne. First, rotate both knobs 360 clockwise. Choose the thickness from 0 to 3 millimeters. Now you can cut the food into julienne. Dicing. First, cut food into thick slice. Put the slices into the feeder and fill up the feeder. Then, you rotate one of the knobs 360 clockwise. Choose the thickness from 6 to 8 millimeters. If you want to have small dices, then rotate both knobs 360 clockwise and choose the thickness from 0 to 3 millimeters. Cleaning and storage. Put the Mandoline under water. Easy to fold and storage.